Here today we're working on the furnace. I had a 20 amp breaker installed. Furnace is only rated for 15 amp max. I believe that was blowing my my igniter. As you can see here, it's over limit, no resistance. So we're going to change that and the flam sensor. Here at the property with the furnace problem. She said a couple of guys been here for the same issue. I finally got a furnace filter in there. Change the flam sensor and the igniter. It kept popping because over here we had a 20 amp fuse circuit installed. Furnace is rated for 15. This is the one I changed. Flam sensor, igniter changed. Furnace is running. Breaker changed, panel put back up. Filter installed.